Let's see how to manage appointments with Wix Bookings. So it's very easy to manage appointments. First, you just have to go to the catalog right here in the dashboard and you click booking services. Before you can manage or set some appointments, you make a service first, can add new service from scratch or through these templates made also by AIs. This is a consultation website, and I think I'm going to go with start from scratch. So in here you can name like some online meeting. You can add some taglines, descriptions, then image. Let's put some media there. You can add some taglines, descriptions. You can set duration for your service. Any duration, you can customize it, but I'm gonna go with 1 hour. Also, you can pick your service type, whether it's an appointment, a class, or a course. So one is an appointment. And then you can set the price or the payment method. Is it like a per session or with a plan? You can create new plan or per session with a plan. So I'm gonna go with per session. And this online meeting, you can have it fixed price, free, a varied pricing, or you can customize price. Like it's negotiable, whatever you like. So for me, online meeting is free for now. Let's go with free. And you can set your location if you have location to where you will hold your meeting, but if not, you can leave it there. You can add some video conferencing, and you can also assign staff members who will manage or will handle your meetings. You can manage some resources for services. You can add cover image or a photo gallery. You can have this booking policies. Online bookings isn't like an automatically accept. You can automatically accept all bookings when available, manually approve or decline booking requests. That one. Then when you're done, you can click save. Let's try to add another one. And let's just try this brand consulting. Is brand consulting, and then let's add a fixed price to it. So 100. Can have entire amount online, entire amount in person, entire amount either online or in person. Where do you want them to pay? So let's say it's just online, so save. Now we have 2 of these. What we're going to do is we're going to set appointments for these services. Here in the booking calendar, let's go to calendar. And we can now set our appointment. Let's say on March 10, we'll have appointment from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. You can actually click and drag this to the duration you are setting for your service or appointment here. Then click appointment. Here you can have their client name and their email and also their phone number. So for example, let's just have this. For example, let's have this number. It's just a random number. So what we're going to do next is we're going to select a service. And let's say online meeting. Set that. Once we set that, there's going to be the date here, the arrival time, and you can put it on repeat if you want. 2 times weekly. there. Then also you can add another service for this. For example, this one, let's go back. Let's just have one and then we'll click book. It's going to look like that. Well, when we press this, you can edit it here or you can delete it. You can also edit the service right here. You can actually set the time here, like 10:15, 10:30, here whenever you like. You can also have a note to yourself. For example, a client might be late. And let's try to book the ones with the one with the price. So appointment. Let's try this again. Continue. This one. Let's say 11:30 is the start. You can start sending SMS messages to your clients, but you've got to upgrade first your site. You can also notify them via email, but also with this, you upgrade your site first. When there's an amount, there's going to be book and send pay link or book. So here, book and send pay link, it's in the premium plan. If you want to upgrade your Wix. Now, when we click this, it's gonna say collect payment right here. When we press that, you can have charge with pay-link or you can charge it with invoice. You can also mark as paid when they already give you the amount. Mark paid. For example, they are paid. It's gonna be here. You're going to see it here. So just like that, you can click manage here. You can add it to service. You can go to staff, resources. You can view your work schedule right here. You can add staff hours. You can also add here the appointment. You can create new service. You can add some locations right here. You can add stuff, the session availability, then other events. And that's it. That's how to manage appointments with Wix Bookings. See you soon.